Hey there DIY coders, welcome to HTML Quickie, the place where we help you decode HTML so you don't have to. Before we get started, there will be a link down in the description below for you to check out. If you are an absolute beginner in HTML, have no clue what HTML is, or you only have a rough idea of what HTML is, I recommend you check out that video. But if you're all good, we'll go ahead and get started here. So have your text editor out, your web browser out, and make sure that those two applications are open to the file we'll be working on. Now, before we get to learning the tag we'll be learning, please have this code copied onto your text editor. And if you need to, pause the video. But if you're all good, we'll go ahead and get started with learning what is called the Strikethrough Tag. So what does the Strikethrough Tag do? Well, let's just go ahead and write up the code like we just did. And then we'll just write up some text. This is some strike text. And then we'll save. My browser has automatically refreshed, but if your browser doesn't do that, go ahead and click on the refresh button or use the keyboard shortcut to refresh the browser. And you'll notice that we have a text with a line right across it. And it's just for visual comparison. We'll write the P tag here. All right, and then we'll copy and then paste on the P tag. There we go. And you'll notice that everything seems to be the same. The only thing that's different is this line that strikes right through the text. So again, this S tag or strike through tag is to draw a line across this line of text that's entered here between the starting and end tag of the S tag. Now let me show you a different tag that shows the same thing but has a different purpose. So what's del? Del. All right, and then we'll just copy this text here and then we'll paste it here and we'll save. And you notice with a del tag we get the same thing. So what's the difference between these two tags? So according to the HTML standard, the S tag is supposed to indicate any form of information that is inaccurate or not relevant, whereas the del tag is supposed to indicate deleted text. So again, this tag is supposed to indicate irrelevant or inaccurate information. How that form of information will be processed ultimately depends on the applications that do process it, such as the browser. In this case, the browser will show that text with a line across the line of text. And that's it for this video. If you liked the video, strike that like button. If you dislike this video, strike that dislike button. And if you have a strikingly good comment, I would like to hear it down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you think I've earned it. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified of all of my new YouTube videos. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.